This video is going to show you how to use image trace in Adobe Illustrator to do something like a portrait illustration. So I'm going to create a new document, 16 inches by 20 inches, and then I'm going to go ahead and place an image into this document. So I'm going to find a goofy image of myself, did File, Place. I might need to resize it, kind of zoom out, pull those handles, hold down Shift to keep that image in proportion. Once you've made that adjustment, then you can go ahead and click Command 0, and that'll snap that back into place, or you can hit Command plus to zoom back in. And there we go. The next step is to click on Window, scroll down and find Image Trace. That will open up a dialog box showing a bunch of different presets that are grayed out until you click on the image. Once you click on the image, then you can see all the different options you have for modes and presets. You'll have sliders. Highly recommend just playing around with those. Check the checkmark box next to preview, and then when the dialog box warning comes up basically saying that this is going to take a little while on your computer, click OK, and then you'll see the progress bar. So this is taking a little bit of time. It's processing all the pixels from your image, and it's trying to create shapes or vector graphics from those pixels. And every time you change preset or change modes, those things will change the look of things. Okay. Once you've found a result that you're happy with, then you want to find the Expand button at the top of your toolbar. It's also at the bottom right of the Properties panel. Click Expand. That makes all of your vector graphics. Then go to Object, go Ungroup, and now that will ungroup them all. So when you deselect and select stuff, now you can change the color, you can start deleting things from the background. You can click and drag and select multiple vector graphics and shapes together to delete, and that'll speed that up. You can also start changing colors. So I'm going to change color of my eye from brown to, let's say, a bright green or something like that. Click OK. And that's the cool thing about using image trace. It creates all these vector graphics that you have flexibility to change and manipulate now. So in this portrait illustration, it's going to end up being pretty abstract and really bright and kind of wacky to showcase my mood right now. So that's what I would continue doing here. Okay. So have fun with this. Keep playing with this, and once you get a result that you're done with, that you're happy with, then you can move forward and start playing around with some other ideas that you might have for this portrait illustration. Hopefully you learn how to use image trace a little bit. If you need to go back and rewatch some stuff, go for it, but thanks for watching.